Hi guys, Big Wits Model GK. Another update. This is my entry into Frankie Day's Historical Aircraft GB, and as you can see from the box, I'm doing the C-47 Spooky, also known as Puff the Magic Dragon. I've made a start of it, and to be quite honest, it's going to be one of those very quick builds because there's hardly any parts for it. And there she is at the moment. Try and get a bit more light. Primed. And okay, I'm just getting used to this camera. So it's a new camera and everything, so hopefully you're getting a look at things better than before. The three guns are actually drilled out to give that a little bit more realism, and we're all primed, well 90% primed, and we shall soon be looking at some paint. But that's my first update for the Frankie Day Historical Aircraft Group build, and it's coming on quite well. So I'll leave it at that for now. I'll get back to you on my next video. Okay guys, like I always say, like and subscribe somewhere down at the bottom here, and I'll see you soon. Take it easy guys, bye bye.